In this video, we'll demonstrate the Clever Dashboard and Clever Portal for districts and schools that are interested in seeing a preview of Clever before getting started. If you don't know much about Clever yet, no worries. Clever offers a few primary solutions to districts, including Secure Sync rostering, Single Sign-On, and Clever Portal. We'll dive into these more next. First, we'll talk about Clever Secure Sync. Secure Sync acts as a bridge between your student information system, also known as your SIS, and online learning applications. Secure Sync maintains up-to-date roster information in your learning applications by securely transferring your roster uploads or connecting directly with your SIS. Imagine your students and teachers automatically having accounts created and updated in your learning applications throughout the school year with no extra work from you. Once you sync data from your SIS to Clever, you're able to add learning applications and set specific sharing rules. These rules determine who can access the apps and what data the application can see, so you can avoid oversharing. Second, Clever Single Sign-On, or SSO, enables users to securely authenticate into connected applications with just one click. Using SSO via Clever gives students, teachers, and staff a single secure login with credentials they're already familiar with for their digital resources. With Clever's SSO, your students and teachers can access learning applications with a specialized link via your LMS or portal. Our most successful districts pair Clever's SSO with Clever Portal. Clever Portal is intuitive for teachers to navigate, making it easy for them to find and use EdTech tools already purchased by your district. This saves time and helps increase student engagement with the software you've invested in. With shareable teacher pages, teachers can also personalize digital classrooms for their students, but I'll share more on that later. Let's dive into our demonstration of where you'll set up Clever for your users. You'll get started in your Clever dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center. It gives you all of the power to set your district up for success with Clever. Only you and other admins can see this dashboard. When you sign into your dashboard, you'll land on the home page. The home page has useful metrics such as sync status and applications connected with your district. Click Applications to add new apps or modify the data sharing for existing apps. For instance, if you want to connect Clever with a math app you've purchased, you'll do that here. SSO and Portal has the tools you need to set up your district's Clever Portal. This includes a customized login URL and the login method for district users to sign into Clever, such as via their Google or Microsoft accounts. In Analytics, view your access data, including logins, app usage, and device usage. Think of Analytics as a tool to check on your district's engagement with Clever and the apps and devices you've purchased. Under Support Tools, access troubleshooting and data support resources. For instance, you can quickly diagnose login or data sharing issues. Use the data browser to view and filter your district's data. This is helpful to confirm data is syncing correctly or to find data like a teacher's email address or what sections they teach. In Sync, set up or modify the sync between Clever and your student information system. For new Clever districts, we recommend starting here. Last, but absolutely not least, are add-ons. As you hopefully know, Clever's core features and complementary support are 100% free for districts. In addition, we've built several paid products in response to district requests. These include Clever Identity Management, or IDM, and multi-factor authentication. Click Add-ons to learn more. Next, let's take a look at Clever Portal. Clever Portal is a place where all users in your district access their learning apps and resources. Students, teachers, and staff have their personalized portal with every learning application they use. As a Clever admin, access your District Clever portal by clicking Customize Portal in your SSO and portal settings. Within the District Clever portal, you'll be able to organize resources in groups and add external links, such as your school website. Your students and teachers will access the portal by going directly to the portal URL you've customized for your district or school. At that portal URL, they'll use the login credentials you've configured for them to log into their personalized Clever portal. You'll notice that any applications you've added from the dashboard show up here based on the sharing rules you configured. Remember, each student and teacher will see a customized portal that only shows the resources relevant to them. Imagine how much easier it will be for teachers and students to access exactly what they need in one place. In their Clever portal, teachers can further tailor the student's experience using teacher pages with links, applications, and PDFs. Also, remember those amazing tools we mentioned earlier that your teachers will have access to? Look how easily teachers can launch resources for their entire class so that the right program automatically pops up on each student's device, almost like magic. Generating a backup login code is just as easy. This tool empowers teachers to handle login issues in the moment rather than waiting for your help. Everyone gets back to learning faster. If any of this sounds confusing, don't worry. Getting to know any tool can take a little while. We just wanted to introduce you to the many useful resources available to you. If you're ready to get started, onboarding with Clever is just 3 steps. 1. Setting up the sync with your SIS. 2. Adding your learning applications. And 3. Setting up a login method for your users. Reach out to our team to get your account created, and we're happy to assist you with the next steps. Once your account is created, you can dig into Clever Academy, our online training hub chock full of free training and activities. Find it at clever.academy. We're looking forward to helping you make digital learning run better with Clever.